Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check the source drive health. If Smart shows issues, stop and image read-only. Install Mega Down imaging and any vendor drivers so the software can access hardware directly. Once installed, connect the target media and verify at least 0.5 TB free. Open Mega Down, choose the source disk, then select the intelligent read mode. This balances speed and error handling. Make sure to name your image with date and device ID for later reference. Once done with the basics, you configure detailed imaging parameters to control how Mega Down reads and writes data. Select a mode: Intelligent Read when errors are possible versus Block Copy for healthy drives. Set SHA 256 checksums to verify integrity, and turn on compression if you need to save space. Choose approximately 1:2. Reduce read retries to 3 to avoid excessive wear, and enable skip on bad so the process continues past irrecoverable sectors. These choices speed up completion and preserve evidence quality when needed. You finalize the process by running the image and verifying results. This is crucial. Start the job and watch the progress panel. Note ETA, transfer rate, and any read errors as they appear. When finished, run a post-image verify using the SHA 256 hash and compare it to the recorded source checksum to confirm fidelity. If verification fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Check cables and power, lower read speed to reduce errors. Then rerun with deep retry enabled. If problems persist, clone to a different target and reevaluate hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.